Here, from the start point, one has to decide whether to hike or to take a cable car to the top of a mountain. The hike is fun and hard. It's interesting and it takes about 10 times more time and effort than the cable car. Weather also plays a big role. And for some people and their fears, cable car is not an option. Hundreds of years ago, hiking was the only option, until maps and the first cable car appeared. Taking a cable car is a great advantage when there is availability. The views one gets are stunning. However, not every mountain top can be reached by cable car. Some people's only option to see the mountains is by taking a cable car. During the high season, lines to tickets at Kasprowe Wierch can be hectic. Whatever the option to climb is, it is always rewarding to enjoy being at the top of the Tatras.